Hey guys, welcome to the new channel. Today in this video we have this Vivo Y21 and I'm going to show you how you can enter recovery mode in this one. So as you can see we have our phone screen locked. So if you enter the recovery mode you can easily just clear its screen lock and just reset your phone and do other things. So let me just show you the phone I have is Vivo Y21. So let's get started. First of all you have to turn off your device. You can just simply power off. Once it's turned off, you have to hold the power key and the volume up button together. Keep holding them and you're gonna see the fast boot mode. Now select recovery mode from the buttons and that's it. Now your phone will boot in recovery mode. It may take some time. And that's it guys, there you can see the Vivo recovery logo and now your phone is in recovery mode. From here you can just update or reset or do whatever you want to do in recovery mode in Vivo devices. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.